Stretch marks is a very common problem every individual faces one or the other time in their life. It is more so in women than in men. Hello everybody, welcome to Baby and Hugs, a one-stop guide for parenting. Today's topic is stretch marks. So what are those stretch marks? Stretch marks are those not so good looking lines which is present all over the body, more so on the belly button. These are long streaks of lines present on the tissue or the skin. This is more seen in women who have just passed through the phase of pregnancy or have been overweight due to the rapid growth of the skin and the muscle tissues. Some of the common areas of stretch marks are breasts, abdomen, thighs, hips and buttocks. These are sometimes even known as internal tears. So why does these stretch marks occur? Stretch marks usually occur due to the deficiency of zinc. So zinc is one of the mineral which is helpful in repairing a skin tissue, and when there is a deficiency of that, the skin becomes very loose and elastic. Zinc deficiency is more seen in women during puberty and pregnancy. That is puberty as in when the girl matures or starts menstruating. That is when there is a lot of zinc deficiency, and also during hormonal changes of pregnancy. And also it should be known that stretch mark treatment is most beneficial if it is done post bath and also before bedtime, and it also should be kept in mind that it has best results when it is started as early as the 3rd month. Here are the 3 steps which can be followed. They are exfoliate, moisturization and also the home remedies. The first step is exfoliation. So what is exfoliation? Exfoliation is nothing but removal of the dead skin which is present outside on a regular basis. This is very essential since it helps in deeper penetration of the other skin treatments which follows the exfoliation step. During exfoliation, the best practice was to use a loofah during bath time, where I did daily skin brushing so that I lighten the skin tone and also removal of the stretch marks to an extent. A best home remedy which I used was the use of coffee powder, and sometimes I even used a mixture of sugar and honey so that there is lightening of skin. This acts as an excellent exfoliator or a scrub. There is no miracle step as such which is there which can completely get rid of these stretch marks, but moisturization helps in a very long run, wherein it reduces the itchiness and dryness and hence avoiding the sores. All the moisturizers available in the market are very good, which has one which has a very thick base can be used on a regular basis, but one product which I swear upon and I used it regularly and I've seen beautiful results is the Mom's Co 7-in-1 natural stretch bio oil. These were available in 2 forms. One is the oil based and another one is the cream based. Now oil based is the one which should be applied during the night times, which usually reduces the stretch marks and helps in developing a even skin tone. Next one is the cream based, which is filled with the shea butter which is available. Shea butter helps in lightening the skin and hence avoiding the dryness, which I use this on a regular basis. The link to these I've given in the description. You can just check it out so that you can buy and test it on your own. It is one of the best product which is available, so you can try it out. No, this is not a sponsored video, so you can please check it out and give your results. Other remedies which can be used is the keeping oneself well hydrated, since this helps in rejuvenating the skin and helps in maintaining the elasticity. We can also consider using castor oil or olive oil which is present in our kitchen, since they have a very thick base which on application on a regular basis helps in smoothening the skin, hence reduces the skin tone and smoothens or lightens the skin. Next is to increase the use of vitamin C and zinc into your diet, which helps in forming collagen, hence maintaining the elasticity. And also plenty of green leafy vegetables, fish oil and nuts can be very useful in forming a good smooth skin. A quick DIY or a bonus tip which I followed on a regular basis along with the other steps was A vitamin E capsule has 8 different variety of nutrients present with it, and it is a great antioxidant which usually helps in repairing the damaged skin. So a combination mask which I prepared on a regular basis was using one capsule of vitamin E, and then 1 tablespoon of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and then 1 tablespoon of yogurt or curd can be used, and adding few drops of rose water. Mix it properly, and this combination mask can be applied on the skin evenly, and leave it for drying for around 15 to 20 minutes, and you can wash it with cold water. This can be used regularly for once in 3 days, and you will see results. A quick disclaimer, though all the home remedies are suitable for all types of skin tones, I would suggest that you give your skin the time it needs to repair and heal. But if you regularly and religiously practice the above steps, you can see great results. Now also, don't expect it to happen. Also, do let me know if you have any home remedies which you follow and have seen great results by commenting below. I would love to know it, and share it with others also. If you like my content, do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel Baby and Hacks. Thank you. Bye bye.